it will be less, so I suppose it is left rear wheel bearing. So this is how you can check, is it the wheel bearing for sure. Put up your car in the air so there is no any resistance from the tires and spin the wheel. Now you can hear the noise coming. It's very less because now the wheel is spinning very slow. But if you spin it really fast, the noise will be higher, so it is wheel bearing for sure. No noise. Wheel bearing is fixed.